Welcome to 273 Oak Pointe Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in Lexington in the Oak Pointe subdivision. It sits on a cul-de-sac, has a fenced backyard. We're in the front yard. You can see you have a 2-car wide driveway leading up to the garage space, which has been shortened to just be storage space. There's been some additional living space added on the inside, so this is just sort of half of a garage with storage, so it would work well for lawn equipment, or if you have something else small that could fit in that space. And we'll be able to see the other side from inside the house. You have a covered front porch out here as well. Step into the family room. Off the entry, we have laminate hardwood flooring. You have crown molding throughout the first level. Also share rail molding in here and in the kitchen. There's some of that upstairs also. There's a ceiling fan in here in addition to a wood burning fireplace. Nice size windows out to the front. Flows into the eat-in kitchen. It has an eat-in dining area on this side. Nice bay window, an updated light fixture. Sliding door accesses the backyard. Small patio out back, privacy fenced backyard that does back up to some trees or a wooded area. Kitchen is a galley style, light wood cabinets and stainless steel appliances. There is a dishwasher, smooth top electric range, above range microwave, and a refrigerator. Window over the sink looking out towards the backyard. And then right next door, the laundry room, full size washer and dryer connections, and a half bathroom on this level also, a single vanity and commode. And then here's the bonus living space off of this area that we mentioned before. Has a ceiling fan in here, so again, this is half of the garage space. It does have a utility closet in the corner, but the water heater is in there. And you can see it does open out to the garage, which has been, or the garage space on the outside, which has been enclosed some. So going back through, take a look upstairs. There's a coat closet in the back corner of this downstairs level as well, sort of tucked beneath the stairs. So on the second level, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The master is right off the landing to the left of the stairs as you come off. You have a ceiling fan in here. Some of that chair rail molding as well. Nice size room. A couple of corner windows out towards the front of the house, and a walk-in closet as well, which has its own octagonal shaped window, which is kind of cool. Full bathroom. Also, you have a single vanity in here and a garden tub and shower. And then you can see the vanity on this side. And then in the hallway, you can see there's an attic pull down there. Also a linen closet between the 2 bedrooms. So the hall bathroom has single vanity and a more normal size shower and tub. A very similar vanity set up to the master. And here's our second bedroom. Also has a ceiling fan and the closet on this side. And the linen closet that we mentioned. And then our third and final bedroom, also with an updated ceiling fan and pretty much the same size closet back in the corner. So that completes our tour of this home at 273 Oak Pointe Drive in Lexington. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.